Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. In this video, we're going to look at how to set an alarm or how to set alarms on your iPhone. I'm using an iPhone with iOS 18.3. So the first thing you want to do is to open the clock app on your iPhone and then tap the alarm option down there. From there, you want to tap the plus sign at the top right hand side of the screen. Tap on the plus sign and then you'll be presented with the alarm settings to add your alarm. First thing you want to do is to tap on the repeat. That is the frequency you want the alarm to go off, or the days you want the alarm to go off. So in my case, I selected all the days from Monday to Sunday. Tap the back to go back to the settings. Once you tap back, it saves the settings. Tap on label and then give it a label. The label is the name you want to recognize the alarm with. So in my case, I named it my daily alarms. Once that is done, you want to tap on the sounds option to select a sound that will be played once the alarm goes off. So you can select the default alarm sound, or you can select the other options there to your preference, whichever you think sounds great to you. You can tap on it to select it. Once you select it, you will see the check mark beside it. And then the last option we are looking at, or the last but one option we are looking at, is the snooze. That is, if you want the alarm to repeat itself, by default it is turned on, so you can leave the default. But if you don't want it to repeat itself, you can turn it off by turning the radio button off. And then to the actual time of the alarm, so you can scroll through the hours. The hours are on the left and then the minutes are on the right, so you can scroll them to select the time you want. Tap the save to save your settings, the alarm settings, so you can see that we've successfully created the alarm for 15:37, which is 3:37. And then once the time is due, you will see a notification on top of your screen that the alarm has successfully been set off, or it's gone off. So you can tap on the plus sign at the top to add additional alarms if you so wish to add them. So yes guys, kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to support us to bring you more of such videos. Click the like button if this was helpful. Share the video, turn on notifications for all, and then I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.